Euskadi, destination for conferences and incentives, innovation and charm. Euskadi has everything you need to hold any event, from large conferences to small format meetings in charming places. Throughout Euskadi, one can find conference centres and meeting rooms with the necessary facilities and infrastructure to guarantee a pleasant stay. Rooms with the latest technology, hotels, welcoming country houses, and a wide range of service providers with proven experiences in conferences and incentives. The conference centres in Euskadi are modern, versatile and well designed. Thus, the Kursaal Palace next to the beautiful beaches of San Sebastian, the Euskalduna Conference Centre, one of the flagships of the new Bilbao, and the recently renovated Europa Palace in Vitoria are obvious examples of the commitment of the Basque capital cities to unique conference centres and palaces. Options include another dozen spaces with different capacities and facilities for all kinds of meetings. Among these are the modern Ficoba in the town of Irun, Guipúzcoa, very close to France, the Bilbao Exhibition Centre in Bilbao, a new and versatile exhibition centre, and places with great charm, such as the Suso de Vitoria Villa Palace, the Miramar Palace on the La Concha and on the Reta beaches, or the San Marcos Fort in Renteria. Each of the three capitals also has a convention bureau to facilitate the organization of conferences, congresses and events. Euskadi also has excellent communications for arriving at destinations, as well as for traveling comfortably from one place to another. Euskadi also boasts an important range of cultural, gastronomic and commercial choices, so any professional meeting or event can be completed with various leisure options.